my dear students. Good morning. Okay. Now this is another example of a here given the function is this one. Okay. If x is greater than 1, equal to 1, this one, and less than 1, this one. Is continuous at x equal to 1. That means here already given the left hand limit equal to right hand limit is also equal to f of x. Then find the value of both a and b. This is a very important one. Example. Okay. Now at solution. Okay. Now at x equal to 1, what is f of x? Here at x equal to 1, what is f of x? Is 11. So f of 1 equal to 11. Okay. So right hand limit equal to limit h tends to 0, 1 plus x. So greater than 1. So greater than 1 means this one. Okay. This is greater than 1. So limit x tends to 0, 3a into x equal to 1 plus h plus b. Okay. When x tends to 0, 3a plus b. Okay. So then left hand limit equal to limit x tends to 0, f of 1 minus x. 1 minus h less than 1. Now this one. Okay. So 5a 1 minus h minus 2b. Yes or no? Now when x tends to 0, this is a 5a minus 2b. Now here given right hand limit equal to f of 1 equal to left hand limit. This is a given. Yes or no? Because the function is continuous at x equal to 1. So here 3a plus b equal to 11 and analyze 5a minus 2b equal to 11. Now solve these two equations. What is the value? Find out a and b. Either you know that by elimination process or cross multiplication or substitute or by Cramer's rule also. Okay. Now here by elimination process, now here multiply by this equation by 2 and this equation by 1. Now here this is 6a plus how much? 2 into b, 2b equal to 11 into 2, how much? 22. Here multiply by 1. So 5a minus 2b equal to 11. Now 2b cancel out, plus minus. Here this is 11a equal to 33. So a equal to how much? A is 33 by equal to 3. So a equal to 3. Okay. Now substitute a equal to 3. Either 1 or equation 2 as you like. Now here 3a plus b equal to 11 given. Now a equal to 3. 3 into 3 plus b equal to 9 equal to 2. So b equal to 2. Therefore a equal to 3 and b equal to 2. So find the value of a and b. So a equal to 2 and b equal to, sorry, a equal to 3 and b equal to 2. Okay. Now another example is, next example is, here given f of x equal to 1 minus cos 4x by x square when x is less than 0 equal to a if x is equal to 0. Now this one if x is greater than 0, determine the value of a. What is the value of a? Find out. Okay. So the function is continuous. Function is continuous means left hand limit equal to right hand limit is also equal to f of a. Yes or no? Yes. Now solution. Now at x equal to 0, here at x equal to 0. What is the f of x? How much? Here a. So f of 0 equal to not a because it's a constant function. Okay. Now write and limit x tends to 0 f of 0 plus h. So greater than 0. Here this is less than 0. This is greater than 0. Now use this one. Okay. For write and limit. Now this part equal to limit x tends to 0 root x or 0 plus x then root over 16 0 plus x minus 4. Instead of x write 0 plus x. Okay. Now this part equal to limit x tends to 0 root x divided by 16 plus root x minus 4. Okay. Now here use rationalization. Now that means limit x tends to 0 root x and multiplying and dividing by 16 plus root x plus 4 16 plus root x minus 4 16 plus root x plus 4. Now multiply this one and dividing this one. Okay. Or you can say rationalization. Okay. Now this part equal to here upper part is remains middle part is remains limit x tends to 0 root x 16 plus root x plus 4. Now denominator part is a minus b into a plus b. What is the value of a minus b into a plus b? A square minus b square. So 16 minus plus root x minus 16. Okay. So plus 16 minus 16 cancel out. Now limit x tends to 0 root x 16 plus root x plus 4 by root x. Now root x cancel out. When x tends to 0, this is 16 root of 16 is 4 plus 4 equal to 8. Okay. Now next one is now left hand limit x tends to 0 minus h. So less than 0 means this one. Yes or no? This is greater than 0, this is less than 0. Now use this one. So limit x tends to 0 or you can write f of minus h. Okay? 0 minus 0 minus h. Now limit x tends to 0 1 minus cos of 4 minus h by minus h whole square. So what is the value of cos of minus theta? How much? Now cos theta. Cos 4x by x square. Because cos of minus theta equal to cos theta. Okay. So we know that what is the value of 1 minus cos 2a to sin square a? Yes or no? So what is the value of 1 minus cos 4a to sin square how much? 2a. Or here 4h means 2 into 2h and 2 into 2a, 2a into this one. Okay. Now use this one. Limit h tends to 0. So 2 sin square 2x by h square. Okay. Now multiply and dividing by x tends to 0 sin 2h by 2h whole square. Okay, so 2h whole square is how much? 4h square. Not this one. So limit, what is the limit for this one? Is 1 equal to 8. So here 8, here 8. Okay, so left hand limit equal to how much? Equal to right hand limit equal to f of 0. Here the function is continuous, not this one. Okay, therefore here what is f of 0 is a. So a equal to a equal to a. So a equal to a. So what is the value of a? So here a equal to sorry, determine the value of a. Now a equal to a. Okay. Next, another example is discuss the continuity of the function f of x equal to mod of x minus 1 plus mod of x minus 2 at x equal to 1 and x equal to 2. So there are two critical points, 1 and 2. Either the function defined or we can use direct. Now suppose when the function is, suppose we define the function. Okay. Now we know that mod x equal to x if x is greater than 0. Yes or no? 0 if x equal to 0. Minus x if x is less than 0. This is the logic for modulus function. Now here defined, there are two parts. One is defined. Now first define. Let's suppose mod of x minus 1. Okay. Now this part equal to x. So x minus 1. If x minus 1 is greater than 0, let us see x. Okay. Or we can write x is greater than 1. Okay. Now second one is 0. If x minus 1 equal to 0 or x equal to 1. Okay. Now third one is minus of 2x minus 1. If x minus 1 is less than 0 or x is less than 1, or we can write it to multiply minus 1 minus x. Okay. Now this one is okay. Now similarly second one find out. Similarly second function. Second one is mod of x minus 2 equal to x minus 2 if x is greater than 2. Okay. 0 if x equal to 2 minus x if x is less than 2. Okay. Now there are 2 points at x equal to 1 and x equal to 2. Okay. So what is the value find out? When x is less than 1, greater than 2. Okay. Now if you combine these two, therefore f of x equal to sorry, when x is less than 1. Okay. When x is less than 1. Less than 1 means here this one is exist. Yes or no? Less than 1. Less than 2 is also less than 1. Now add these two. 1 minus x plus 2 minus x. Yes, let us see. When x is less than 1, less than greater than 1, less than 1, this one with this one. Now here add is given, addition is given. Now add this plus this one. Okay. So or we can write 3 minus 2x. Okay. Now next one is when x is greater than 1. When x is greater than 1 but less than 2. Okay. Greater than 1 means this one. Greater than 1 is this one. Okay. Less than 2 means this one. Now add this plus this one. Now here plus x minus cancel out. 2 minus 1 equal to how much? Is 1. Okay. Now next one is when x x is greater than 2. Greater than 2 means this one is greater than 2. Yes or no? Here greater than 1 is also greater than 2. Now add this plus this one. X plus x equal how much? Or you can write x minus 1 plus x minus 2 equal to 2x minus 3. Now, so f of x becomes here 3 minus 2x when x is less than 1. Yes or no? 1 when 1 is less than x less than 2. Then when x is greater than 2, what is f of x? Now 2x minus 3. Now function are here. Then use the limit formula. Okay. Now first let us say x equal to, now first let x equal to 1. What is the f of x? Here given mod of x minus 1 plus mod of x minus 2 implies f of 1. X equal to 1. 1 minus 1 0 1. Or you can write 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 2, it becomes 1. Okay, now right hand limit, or first right hand or left hand limit, or you can write right hand limit. Okay, left hand limit less than 1. What is the formula? Write the formula. Limit x tends to 0, f of 1 minus x less than 1. Less than 1 means this one. Use this one. Or limit x tends to 0, 3 minus 2 into 1 minus x. Okay. Instead of x, write 1 minus x. So here 3, or you can write limit x tends to 0, 3 minus 2 is 1 plus 2x equal to 1. Okay. Next one is right hand limit. Limit x tends to 0, f of 1 plus x. Greater than 1. Greater than 1 means how much? This one. Is 1. Is 1. Therefore, right hand limit equal to left hand limit equal to f of 1. Here 1, here 1, here is also 1. What is the meaning that one? That means so the function is continuous at x equal to 1. So the function is continuous at x equal to 1. Now second case. Now when x equal to 2. Okay. Now next one is at x equal to 2. What is the f of 2? Now substitute f of x, f of 2. So 2 minus 1 plus 2 minus 2 equal to 1. Okay. Now right hand limit equal to limit h tends to 0, f of 2 plus h greater than 2, greater than 2. So greater than means this one. Okay. That this is greater than 2. Yes or no? So here limit h tends to 0, 2 into 2 plus h minus 3, or 4 h tends to 0, 4 minus 3. So 4 minus 3 equal to 1. Now left hand limit equal to limit h tends to 0, 2 minus h less than 2. Now this one less than 2 equal to 1. So here 1, here 1, here 1. So right hand limit equal to left hand limit equal to f of 2. So the function is continuous at the x equal to how much? Is 2. Okay. Now another example is, next example is, now this is also you can find out, but another is direct derivative without you define the function. Here first define the function, then when x lies between less than 1, find the function. When x lies between 1 to 2, then what is the find out function? When x is less than 2, find the function. Because this is very important for the find the area of the curve. For area of the curve, so this is very important. Okay. Now in another method, direct you can find out. Okay. Now let us say at x equal to 1. At x equal to 1. What is f of 1? Now directly we can substitute 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 2 equal to 1. Okay. So what is the right hand limit? Limit x tends to 0 f of 1 plus h. Yes or no? At x equal to 1. So directly we can write limit h tends to 0 1 plus h minus 1 plus 1 plus h minus 2, or this part equal to limit h tends to 0, here h plus 1 minus 1 cancel out, so plus mod of 2 h minus 1. Okay, now h tends to 0, mod of 2 minus 1, the problem is very long. Okay, now similarly left hand limit equal to limit h tends to 0 f of 1 minus h equal to h tends to 0, x instead of x write 1 minus h minus 1 plus 1 minus h minus 2. Yes or no? Now here limit h tends to 0 mod of minus h plus minus 1 minus h. Yes. So limit, or you can write x equal to 0. Here 0 is 0 plus mod of minus 1 equal to 1. So left hand limit equal right hand limit equal to 1. Here directly you can find. Okay. First, better to define the function, then find the limit of the function. That is better. Okay. Or you can directly find out. Similarly you can find out x equal to 2. Okay. हो जाएगा ना, नहीं होगा? हो जाएगा, I think okay. Instead of here x equal to 1, now here 1 right, here 2 right. So actually same thing you can find out. Okay. Now next example is, another example is, here the given function f of x equal to given ax square plus b if x is less than 1. Okay. F of x equal to 1 if x equal to 1. F of x equal to 2x minus b if x is equal to 1. So each continues at x equal to 1. That means here already given left hand limit equal to right hand limit equal to f of a. Okay. Now then find out what is the value of a and b. Find out. Okay. Now at x equal to 1, what is f of x? Here given is 1, implies f of 1 equal to 1. Okay. Now then find out what is the right hand limit. Find out right hand limit. Limit h tends to 0 f of 1 plus h. So greater than 1. Greater than 1 means this one is exist. Yes or no? This one. Okay. Now limit h tends to 0 2a 1 plus h minus b. When h tends to 0, this one equal to 2a minus b. Okay. Now next one is left hand limit. Limit h tends to 0 f of 1 minus x. So less than 1. Less than 1 means this one. Yes or no? Less than 1. Use this one. Okay. So limit h tends to 0 a into 1 minus h0 whole square plus b. Yes or no? Now h tends to 0. Here 0. So this part equal to a plus b. Now here given right hand limit equal to left hand limit equal to f of 1. This is a given because the function is continuous. Okay. That means a plus b. What is the right hand limit? 2a minus b equal to f of 1 equal to 1 equal to a plus b. Now there are two equations, a minus b equal to 1, a plus b equal to 1. Now solve the equation. Now if you add these two, 3a equal to 2. Now plus and minus cancel out. So a equal to 2 by 3. Now substitute a equal to 3 by 2, either this one or this one. Now a equal to, sorry, b equal to 1 minus a, because a plus b equal to 1. So a, right, a plus b equal to 1 implies b equal to, or b equal to 1 minus, what is it, a, 2 by 3. So this is a 3 minus 2 by 3. So b equal to 1 by 3. Therefore a equal to 2 by 3 and b equal to 1 by 3. So find the value of a and b. So a are there and b are there. Okay. Now next example is, another example is examine the continuity of the following function integrate at the point. Here point is given at x equal to 0. Okay. So what is the limit, find out at the x equal to 0. What is the f of x? How much? E square. At x equal to 0, f of x equal to e square. So what is the f of 0? Again e square. Okay. Now here given x is not equal to 0. Only find out limit value, find out. Okay. Now limit x tends to 0, f of x. So limit x tends to 0, 1 plus 2x to the power 1 by x. Okay. Now we know that already discussed the last class what is the some important formula of the limits. Limit x tends to 0, 1 plus x to the power 1 by x equal to, what is the limit value of this? Equal to e. Already discussed about this one. Now use here this formula, here use this one. Okay. Now here given x, but here given 2x. Now multiply 2 and divide by 2. Now here limit x tends to 0, 1 plus 2x power 1 by 2x into 2. Multiply by 2 and divide by 2. Okay. Or this one. Okay. So what is the limit value of this one? Limit x tends to 0 or 2x to 0, x to 0. Okay. Same thing, or we can write here. Limit 2x tends to 0, same thing. 1 plus 2x power 1 by 2x into 2. Now what is the limit value of this? Is e. So e square. Okay. So here e square equal to e square. Therefore limit x tends to 0, f of x equal to f of 0. That means the function is continuous. So the function is continuous. Okay. Either you write this one or here also you can write let 2x equal to y when x equal to how much? Y by 2. Is or no? Now here substitute here limit x tends to 0, then y tends to 0. Okay. Therefore limit x tends to 0, 1 plus 2x power 1 by x equal to limit y tends to 0, 2x equal to y, 1 plus y divided by, what is x? X equal to y by 2. So y by 2, 1 by y by 2, or you can write limit y tends to 0, 1 plus y power 1 by y, 1 by y into 2. What is the limit value of this one? Use this formula e square. Either convert to this one or अगर suppose या idea नहीं हो रहा है, now let 2x equal to y. This is the second method. Either you use this one this way or you can use this way. Okay, okay. Now next class we have discussed about the differentiability of a function.